Hello everyone. Today we are going to introduce you to the ESP2V3 Kit. So let's see what all the components we will get in this kit. So we will get one full-size breadboard, 10 male-to-male jumper wires, 10 hookup wires, one 9-volt battery, one battery snapper. Then we will get a pack of LEDs where you will get 4 green LED, 4 red LED and 4 yellow LEDs. One 5-volt buzzer, one DC toy motor and one fan. One 7-segment display. Four 4-pin push button. A pack of 5 DC 547 transistors. One condenser mic and one LDR. One IR transmitter and receiver pair, one 10K thermistor and one ESP 1738. One IR remote. One digital multimeter. Then we will get one pack of ICs where we will get one 555 IC, one CD4017 counter IC and one 4026 BCD to 7-segment decoder IC. One 10 kilo ohm potentiometer and one IN4148 diode. Then we will get pack of capacitors where we will get 2 470 microfarad capacitors and 5 10 microfarad capacitors. Then we will get pack of resistors where we will get 3 100 kilo ohm resistors, 4 47 kilo ohm resistors and 2 27 kilo ohm resistors and 3 10 kilo ohm resistors and 5 1 kilo ohm resistors and 5 470 ohm resistors. So these all are components you will get in this ESP2V3 kit. Thank you.